Hello there, welcome to our channel Once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add your Facebook friends on your Instagram. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to add Facebook friends on Instagram, let's open up our Instagram app first. And after opening your Instagram, first thing you need to do is you need to connect your Facebook and your Instagram account. To do that, you can see your profile picture icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon, and after that, on this interface you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three line icon like this, and over here you can see the settings option available. Over here on the top, tap on settings, and over here you can see the account option available. Over here, tap on account, where you need to scroll down a little bit, and you can see the sharing to other apps option available over here just below the contact syncing. Tap on sharing to other apps, and over here on the top you can see the Facebook. Tap on Facebook like this, and after that you should find your account associated with your email and try to sync it. Let's tap on continue, and let's tap on continue again. That is my account. Let's finish setup, and you can see the turn on Facebook sharing the photos and videos, and let's start the sharing to Facebook. And after linking your Facebook and your Instagram account, let's again go to the profile picture icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon again, and let's go back, and let's go back, and let's go back again, and you can see the follow and invite option over here on the settings. Let's tap on the follow and invite friends, and you can see the invite friends by option available over here. Tap on invite friends by, and you can see the Facebook newsfeed appear over here. When you tap on like this on the Facebook newsfeed, you will be posting an invitation to Instagram itself. But to add your Facebook friends, let's discard it and let's go back. Now to discover and add people onto your Instagram from Facebook, let's go back again. That was the invitation. When we come to our profile, we can see all these people over here. Let's see all, and under the discover people you can see suggested more. You can see the suggested people for you, and on this interface when we come over here like this, let's go to under our profile you can see the see all. You will also be given the friends of yours on your Facebook account over here, and followed by and your Facebook friends all over here, and you will be able to find your Facebook friends on your Instagram over here. If you scroll to these, and you can see these are one or two of these are my friends from the Facebook. And there, guys, this is how you add and invite Facebook friends on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.